right, Cindy and Christina with Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner, and we're back again to ask,
what is it?
what is it? It's our monthly newsletter question. So if you haven't signed up for our newsletter, check us out at aecorner.com. So Christina, do you want to give the question for this last month or this month?
Yeah. So for April, it was a limerick. So we tried to make it easy. So here's the limerick for April. It says, there once was a man named Finch who broke his leg in a trench. He wanted a bath, but he had no path until he tried a bath
bench. Bath bench was the answer. All right. So those of you who guessed right, we're going to, you want to read off who guessed and then we'll do the drawing?
Okay. So we had correct answers from Maria Marie, Madison Smith, Amanda Susan, Debbie Rolfing, Jan Keith, and Aaron Whitley.
All right. Thank you guys for taking a guess. We are going to draw. Look here. This is the new swag. This is what we're drawing for. So be sure to get your answers in. And again, if you haven't signed up for our newsletter, go for it at aecorner.com. All right. So let's draw a name here.
Okay.
Okay. Just make sure I just have one. Let's see who the lucky winner of the great new swag is. Maria Marie. So we will be in touch. Very good. All right. So let's read what you have another limerick for us?
I do. It is another limerick this month. So for May, the clue is again, it's a limerick. It is, there once was a man named Macduff who found it hard to grip stuff, like holding a fork for eating his pork. He tried an ADL. I know. I can't make it any easier.
Look on our website, check out some videos, you're going to find it there.
Yep.
So again, we appreciate you joining us. If you like to do these types of guessing games and you want to get some really cool swag, make sure you sign up for our newsletter at aecorner.com. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it,
Adapt it.
That's right.